Welcome to today's 10-minute meditation. Today's focus is going to be on accepting guidance. I picked that meditation because we've been working on the last 3 meditations about releasing habits. So we're releasing these habits, and we can continue to do so. If you need to, you just listen to the meditations again. But we need guidance to help us not move back into those tracks and form new ones. So basically, we're going to open our listening and open our hearts to accepting what we hear. So let's get started. As always, we do our prayer of protection and the Lord's Prayer before getting started. Then we go into a simple guided meditation where we will remain silent for a few minutes. When the silence is over, you hear the chimes, so I don't jolt you out. You know I will be speaking. We will then close with the 23rd Psalm. So I want to apologize for all the little fuzzy things going on at the bottom of the screen. I see there's lots of issues, but hey, you guys know I'm not techie. I'm just spiritual. And somehow I'm still trying to marry those two. Let's get started. Exhale before taking that deep inhale. And when you exhale that deep inhale, close your eyes and begin to relax. As I approach the throne of grace, beauty, and might, I throw about myself the protections found in the thought of the Christ. Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For the kingdom, the power, and the glory are yours, now and forever. Amen. Let us again notice our bodies. Notice any tension. Invite your body to relax and just let go as we gently move our attention into the very center of our body, where we notice a beautiful stream of divine energy and light nurturing and filling us. Let us again step into that light and feel it rushing through our body, rushing through our mental, physical, and spiritual bodies, filling us, caring for us. Let us expand now that beautiful light. Let's just move it out. If you need to, use your arms to help expand it out. You're standing inside of it. Expand it out to 3 feet around you. Now that you have the light, the divine energy of God running through you and protecting you as far as 3 feet out from your body, we are going to request that we can hear the guidance that we need in order to move forward in the proper track of life, that which will best serve us and serve our soul. We ask for guidance to avoid going back into the habits, and we ask that we can hear the message and accept it and embrace it. Someone may come to you, an angel, a higher divine being, Christ, Our Lady, whoever might appear, accept the message. If no one appears, sit in that peaceful silence And know that the information is still coming to you, and embrace it and incorporate it. Thank any entity that's there, any being that's blessing you, or just thank the divine for the messages you received. Lift up your hands and really be joyful, knowing that even if you didn't understand exactly, it is being integrated into you as a gift. The strength and guidance will be with you always and forever, and that you are removing the blocks that would prevent it from helping you. As we bring our attention back into the present, we close with the 23rd Psalm. The Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pastures. He leadeth me beside the still waters. He restoreth my soul. He leadeth me in the path of righteousness for his name's sake. Yea, though I walk through the valley of the shadow of death, I will fear no evil, for thou art with me. Thy rod and thy staff, they comfort me. Thou preparest a table before me in the presence of my enemies. Thou anointest my head with oil. My cup runneth over. Surely goodness and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life, and I will dwell in the house of the Lord forever. Amen. Just a quick reminder, tonight is Chris and I's show, Empowerment Through Intuition. We will be speaking about the different types of gifted children, how you can assist them. We will always field a few questions, but you need to be registered. So look for that link and make sure you register inside the webinar. The show does go live on Facebook, but only those inside the webinar actually get questions answered. Hope to see you at our Atlantic City show. Visit me at intointuition.com and have a blessed day. Bye.